Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Shorts channel. Today, we were talking about something that can totally transform the look and feel of your home. Your beautiful wooden floors. They add so much warmth and character. But are you cleaning them the right way? Proper care is key, not just for looks, but for the longevity of your investment. So, let's dive into how to keep those floors gleaming for years to come. First off, why is proper cleaning so crucial? It's about more than just a nice shine. Regular, correct cleaning protects the finish of your wood, preventing scratches and wear that can dull its appearance over time. This extends the life of your floor, saving you from costly repairs or refinishing down the road. Plus, clean floors mean a healthier home. Dust, allergens, and grime can get trapped in the grain and seams of the wood. Removing them effectively improves your indoor air quality, which is a big win for everyone, especially if you have kids or pets. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes I see all the time. The biggest one? Using way too much water. Wood and water are not best friends. Excess moisture can seep into the boards, causing them to warp, swell, or even discolor. Another frequent error is using the wrong cleaning products. Harsh, all-purpose cleaners, vinegar, or ammonia-based solutions can strip the protective finish right off your floor, leaving it exposed and vulnerable to damage. Even steam mops can be risky, as the high heat and moisture can be too intense for many wood finishes. So, what's the right way to do it? It's simpler than you think. Start by sweeping or vacuuming with a soft bristle attachment to get rid of all the loose dirt and dust. This is a non-negotiable first step to avoid scratching the floor when you mop. Next, choose a cleaner specifically designed for wood floors. Look for a pH-neutral formula. Lightly mist a small section of the floor with the cleaner. Don't saturate it. Then, wipe it up immediately with a microfiber mop. Microfiber is great because it's soft and attracts dust and dirt without being abrasive. Work in small sections and make sure the floor dries quickly. If you see any standing liquid, you're using too much. To wrap it all up, taking care of your wooden floors isn't complicated, but it does require the right technique. Avoid excess water and harsh chemicals, and always sweep before you mop. By following these simple steps, you'll protect your floor's finish, extend its life, and maintain a healthier, more beautiful home. Your floors will thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home care tips. See you next time.